Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And if you woke up this morning with a surprise like I did, you can realize that geopolitical events have a way of popping up when you least expect it. Case in point was this week we were looking and waiting for the US stock market to make record highs, with the S&P 500 being within a whisker of hitting its record high, only to wake up to this sharp down move that you can see here with the S&P 500 currently down about 0.5%. Pushing the chart analysis score down to plus 75 with the issuance of a new red daily trade triangle today, and currently trading at 2,839.12, down considerably from where it was earlier in the week when we thought it was going to be getting or hitting that new high. And in fact, as I like to do on Fridays, we'll change this to a weekly chart. And as you can see right now, S&P 500 is close to posting a weekly loss, which would be its first weekly loss in 5 weeks, breaking a trend that was actually looking at posting its 6th straight weekly gain, which would have been the first time it had done that since November of last year. So we'll have to see where it finishes trading this afternoon, but odds are it looks like it's going to finish in negative territory. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 will be 2,796.34. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones down a little bit over 200 points at its lowest point this morning, currently posting a loss of 0.4% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 75. Just coming under that recent weakness today with today's down move, currently trading at 25,340.91. Our key level to watch will be 24,988.31. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently up on the week about 0.6%, the only one of the three posting a weekly gain, which would be its second straight week of gains. Currently trading at 7,863.27 with a chart analysis score plus 60. We're still waiting on that green weekly trade triangle, which would come at 7,933.31. A move above that level would issue that green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for the NASDAQ. Dollar index actually up today. We'll push it out. We'll show you a daily chart here real quick. As you see right there, up almost a full percentage point on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100, currently trading at 96.14. And we'll move it back to a weekly chart, and you can see it is up 1.24% on the week, with the Turkish news pushing the dollar to a 13-month high, which is pretty impressive. Although the U.S. bond yields are slipping to a 3-week low in conjunction with the geopolitical tensions with Turkey right now. Key level to watch for the U.S. dollar will be 93.87. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. Gold's continuing its move down with its 5th straight week of losses, currently standing at a little over 0.2% on the week with a chart analysis score negative 100, and currently trading at 1,220.10. Key level to watch would be 1,225.60. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. Now we'll take a look at crude oil. Down right now, a little over 1% on the week, trading at 67.66 with a chart analysis score negative 60. Continuing its move down with the 2nd straight week of losses, even though it is having a good day today, gaining, which we'll take a look at the daily chart here. Up currently 1.2% on the day, however, it is down for the week. Key level to watch would be 69.37. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin, who right now is currently relatively unchanged on the day for Bitcoin standards. Right now down about 0.4%. However, it is down considerably on the week, and we'll take a look at a weekly chart here and show you. Last week it lost a little over 14%, and that move lower continued this week with currently a loss a little over 8%, trading at 6,434.96 with a chart analysis score negative 100. Key level to watch would be 8,476.34. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week to give you some market updates.